ValvoMax Oil Change System Quick Twist Oil Drain is what they're calling all this whole thing. And there's a few reasons why I wanted to make this video. Number one is I hadn't seen a lot of videos out there regarding this thing. And number two is it's going to be put on my Camaro, which says a lot, I think. I take a lot of value in my Camaro and I care for it. I think this system is going to work very well. So I've already opened it. But there are some main components here that I want to point out in this video of why I'm going to be putting this on my car, and I'll certainly have a follow-up video if there are any detrimental effects. But instead of pulling out the oil plug every time, this thing relieves you of that issue with possibly screwing up threads, or the oil shop not getting it in completely or whatever have you. So it comes with this washer that is supposed to go between, obviously, the oil pan and the plug here, and it has this cap. Now I've taken this. There's also a rubber gasket here that goes right here like this. So what you've got is a multi-system scenario to prevent leakage, and also to be compact, and also to be quick and easy. So you'll notice there is a gasket in here, and then this, of course, loops around here for retainage purposes. Though you probably won't need it because it also screws on. But what you've got is this connects to the pan, obviously, and then there's a ball joint, or a ball socket here, I should say, valve, that when you plug this in and screw it in, at a point it releases that ball and then comes out your drain, obviously. But there's a seal right there, obviously the rubber seal, and that's the primary seal. Again, one of the reasons why I'm considering this and actually going to go install it right now is because there's multiple failure points that are being addressed here. Number one, should this valve go bad, you have this exterior seal here. So when you screw this on, hand tight is probably sufficient. There's going to be a seal here as well. This is also knurled, as you can see, and I appreciate that because you won't spin, or if it gets oily or whatever, you can still have a grip on it. And here's a third seal that covers this part right here. As you screw it in, it seals that part as well. So even when this ball valve fails inside here, because it will eventually, probably over time, heat and so forth, however many thousands of miles that's down the road, hopefully more than 100 or much more than that maybe even, but eventually it'll start to leak, and you'll get an early warning because there will be oil down here, and it won't come out of your engine before you know it. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to go install this, like I said, on my car, and I will follow up with any thoughts or concerns that I have on it, but I really don't think I'll have any. This is a well-engineered product. In some sense, I wish that it was aluminum. I don't know if that would make it weaker, but obviously since the pan is aluminum, there might be potential for bimetallic corrosion as a result, but at the same time, the stock plug is steel. So apparently GM didn't think it was too much of an issue, so this looks to be a step up for me. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or have any comments or have experience with this or with any of the other products and that are similar, please put them down in the comments section. And again, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.